Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Check CPU virtualization support and enable VTX or AMDV in BIOS because the hypervisor needs direct CPU extensions to run correctly. Download the Oracle VM images or the Oracle VM Manager installer now and create a dedicated VM folder to avoid clutter. Once done, create a new virtual machine, assign at least 2 CPUs, 4 GB or more of RAM, and a 20 GB disk so the guest boots reliably. Now you move into configuration and installation where details matter. Attach the guest ISO to the VM, set the VM boot order to prioritize CD/ISO, and enable EFI when the operating system requires it. This ensures the installer runs as expected. Configure networking. Choose NAT for simple internet access or bridged mode for full LAN visibility, because networking determines connectivity and testing. Install guest additions or Oracle tools after the OS boots. These provide drivers and clipboard/clipboard sharing, so the VM performs. Finish by locking down the VM and preparing for real use. Take a snapshot of the clean install before you add apps or sensitive data so you can revert quickly. Snapshots save time and prevent configuration drift. Make incremental resource adjustments, CPU, RAM, disk, based on performance metrics, and use hotplug if supported so you avoid downtime. If something goes wrong, start troubleshooting by verifying VTX/AMDV is still enabled in BIOS, checking the ISO checksum for corruption, and reviewing the VM.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.